Hello everyone, I'm Dolan. I'm the marketing manager here at Meal Prep Sunday Services. We just want to thank you for all your support these past couple years, and I'm here to make a huge and exciting announcement. We are now moving from having 10 meals of 5 breakfast and 5 lunch or dinner options to 15 separate meals of 5 breakfast, 5 lunch, and 5 dinners every single week. Now, what does this mean for our clients? First, there are more options to choose from, which means more opportunities for our clients to receive the meals they like. Second, there are more options for our clients who have specific restrictions. And third, this makes staying with a new routine more exciting and easier to adapt to. The improvement in routine will allow for better results. We know that it needs and it takes time to get results from your workout and diet. The longer you stick with your routine, the better the results will be. Most meal prep companies provide limited options of meals, either for the entire year or for each season. The reason they do that is because 1, it's an easier preparation process for them. 2, the food cost is lower, and 3, it simplifies their supply chain. But we put our clients first, and we care about their results and satisfaction. We promise a good to great culture, and making this change gives you the ultimate variation in meal selection, which can only be found at Meal Prep Sunday. We hope to serve you soon. See you on the next video.